Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Jordan.
I've got water rushing through my balls.
How dare you?
Not a chance it'll live.
And I'm Annalise.
And now it's time to go in the pool. Garlic bread. I'm drowning.
And we live for adventure, hence the name.
If you can't beat them, join them.
Back in November, we hopped on the Eurotunnel and started our 90-day road trip in mainland Europe.
Bonjour.
This week, we find a natural thermal pool.
It's really nice.
Hang off a cliff which is under construction.
Don't do this at home, kids.
And make our way further inland. Make sure to hit subscribe, it's free, and let you know when we next upload a video.
Alright guys, so this is where we stayed last night in the woods. What an amazing spot. The view is unbelievable. And as we walked down towards the reservoir, you could hear all these bells going, and it was all the cows with the bells around their neck. But today we're going to head off to a place called Fuente de los Banos, which is thermal pools, and we're going to go jump in and see how warm they are. So we have had a fair few new followers. Drop in the comments below where you're watching from, because we want to see how far these videos get. Tell you what, I had to stop for them drone clips then. That is amazing. You drive here though, it's quite dangerous because
You can't really see what's in front or behind, can you? Because it's so bendy.
yeah, it's that and the fact that you just want to look everywhere.
Right outside of the road.
I'm on it.
Yeah, no, it looked like you're going on the left.
Oh,
You done that the other day. So you pulled off, was it off a lay-by or
that
something?
was bad, that one it.
And he pulled off and he was driving on the left and the car came. And
He's like flashing me, wasn't he? I was like,
yeah.
what's he flashing me
I
for?
think he was laughing in the end though, and I was like, oh my god, I'm on
Yeah.
the left. It's the first time we've done that. Well, you've done that in like 2.5 months.
This is what happens, you see, when the UK drive on the right hand side and the rest of the world drive on the left. I've got a brake like that. That's the thermal pools.
Yeah, but there's a digger down there.
Is there?
Yeah.
It's a bit weird, isn't it? Oh, I hope they're open. Oh, let's just get there now and it's all shut for maintenance. So we've made it. But now, during the winter, the car park is actually free. During the summer, you do have to pay for it. And I think you have to pay for the thermal pools as well. But yeah, free car park and there's only a couple of people here. I hope you've got your thong on. I better put my mankini on, ready for me dive. Bye Bill, enjoy yourself, have fun. You're not allowed dogs down there, but she's not going to be in here now long, to be fair, so she'll be alright. I'm not usually a fan of the motorhome look, but that is insane. That's quite cool. I mean, it looks a bit more off-road adventure style. If motorhomes are built like that all the time, they'd look cool as hell. It looks class, doesn't it?
It looks so good.
It's so clear. Come on then, Lise. Have you got any hard facts about the place?
I do actually.
Go on.
So, this is one of the main tourist attractions in Monteos, as the water is known to have health and healing benefits. There you go.
One thing I do like about this place is that it doesn't smell of egg like other thermal pools, but it also has a climbing frame.
Legend has it that the Moorish king built this for his women to remain beautiful and young because of the healing properties in the water.
So if your missus isn't that nice looking, bring her down here, dip her head under the water and she's sorted. It's just started raining, but it's not stopping me from getting in there. Oh yeah, look at that, Baldilocks and the three bears, eh? Oh wow. You definitely need to come to these. You might think like they're boiling. They're not boiling, they're like lukewarm. But it's like when you get in, you don't even feel it. It doesn't even feel like you're in. It's kind of like the same temperature as your body. It's really nice. But I have found a little bit where the water comes out and it's dead warm. I'll show you that in a minute. But let's try and make it to these caves. Crazy that you're in like a ravine like this. Look at that. Oh, there's a cave there. There's a cave through there. Don't bounce up and down, your jugs are splashing in the water. I'm gonna stick you in my mouth. I'm gonna try and get over to there. Oh yeah, it's gone colder here because it's getting deeper. Yeah, I can't stand up there. I just kept going down. That's super deep there.
Is it?
Yeah, you can see. Oh wow. It's like a little jacuzzi bit, and it's an outlet. It's proper nice. I'm out of breath. I've had the GoPro in my mouth. See these little fizzes here? Don't know if you can see them there. So that is actually the hot water releasing from underneath. And if you stand over where them bubbles are, you can feel the heat coming up through the floor.
I'm drowning.
Can I just say, I think this water's working for you. You're looking more beautiful. But basically this is the little hot tub type thing. This is the outlet for the warm water. I'll show you. Ugh. That's where all the warm water's literally coming in from here. So if you sit down in this bit, oh my god. It's so warm here.
Like your little bath?
People have like put rocks all the way around the edge so that they can keep the hot water in. Walking in your towel. Get that diesel heater on. Oh my god, it's freezing out there. Absolutely freezing. Who's this? Who's this? Oh my god. Yeah, if you're wondering why I've got paint on my toenails, Annalise thought it was funny to paint my toenails in nude. But it turns out that nude colouring is more like pink. On the ball with my toes.
Right, pack it in with your toes and get burgers on. I washed my hair yesterday and
what, for the first time in 8 years?
First time in about 2 weeks. And I said to myself, oh, we won't get it wet. And what happens?
Did you get it wet?
Soaking. Van life, baby.
Van life, baby. There we go, darling. That's a masterpiece of a burger.
Thank you.
Run out of buns, so I'm on burger wraps. One with barbecue sauce, one with tomato. Boosh.
We carried on our journey towards the north of Spain, with the next stop being Zaragoza city.
I've just had to pull over here. Now if that ain't your call to travel Spain, then I don't know what is. What a view that is.
We've just had to stop again. Wait until you see this view. It does say don't go in it because it's under construction, but you only live once, don't you?
You're nuts. You only live once. Don't do this at home, kids.
That was actually a little bit scary, but let's carry on the drive.
That was a bit dodgy, wasn't it?
Really scary.
There's like bolts in at the back, but there's no bolts in the front, so yeah, probably don't do it.
You could feel it shaking in the wind as well.
Class though, isn't it? We've just got to our camp spot in Zaragoza, our little free camp spot, eh? You can't beat it, can you?
Brilliant, isn't it?
But we'll show you that in the morning. But for now, we're going to get our head down. See you tomorrow. Morning gang, let's put a brew on. We're in Zaragoza, here's our park up, it's free, and what's good is there's a toilet empty, grey waste and water fill up for free as well. It's a cracking little spot this. What we have found in Spain is like loads of little local villages, they offer free motorhome service points, which is amazing because back in the UK, good luck finding any for free. In fact, sometimes even when you go to a campsite and you offer to pay, they always turn around and say, oh no, you can pay the full price. And it's like, makes no sense. You can park here and right over the road, the tram comes and you can get straight to Zaragoza, which is amazing. They do have water fill up here and toilet empty disposal, and then grey waste is just here on this concrete pad. It's cracking. Just bear in mind though, if you are bringing your dog, you have to have like a carrier or a backpack, for your dog to go in, otherwise they can't go on the trams. Time for a coffee. Oh,
just in time. Breakfast.
oh, get in.
We've got
Come on.
mozzarella, tomato and spinach toasties.
Wow, they look amazing. There's a guy over there from the UK. Yeah, he's got like a big, well not big, it's small actually, a Mitsubishi Delica, they know the 4-wheel drive campers. Cool, that's cool.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's dead fresh,
I
isn't it?
know you usually like your bacon, but I thought it would be a bit more healthy this morning. And that is it for today, guys. Join us next week when we get the tram into Zaragoza city. If you liked the video, please give us a big thumbs up, hit subscribe, and don't forget to leave in the comments where you're watching from. See you on the next one.